Okay, welcome back. Are robots our best friend? This is a simple question that I gotta ask, right? So typically, uh, ultimately, robots are gonna do all the jobs for you, and typically, you cannot perform the jobs that robots are doing, right? Because for example, if I take the example of let me take a small example here, okay, of a tool. Give me a minute, which is called as Cobro. Okay, it's called COBI Oro.com. Let me take a small example of this. This is a complete automated advertising tool to help you with Google Ads. Okay, so it can help in getting your professional ads, doing, performing ads. It can automate your advertising and all this stuff with no marketing skills, correct? Automate, sit back and relax kind of methodology. That is what Cobro is doing. Now, what I'm able to say is they're a Google partner and all this stuff. That's fine. Now, what I'm saying this is, why I'm saying this is, typically if you are running Google ads, which is, say AdWords, they call it, right? They call it AdWords or Google ads, right? And when you actually go and perform Google ads, when you typically go and go to ads.google.com and you have to do all the manual process and all this stuff, it takes a lot of time, guys. Whereas Cobro will help you to automate everything from A to Z. You're going to automate everything to the fullest potential with Google ads. Now, why did I tell you that? Let me tell you. Except for the industrial robots that can cause harm to human workers, all these kind of tools like Cobro, Bookmark is also a great tool. You must have known about Bookmark from my previous website design courses, where you'll be able to build a website without spending a fortune. No design skills, no coding skills is required. It has IDA in it, correct? Artificial intelligence design assistant that can create a website in 2 minutes or 30 seconds. It can grow your revenue. It can create a website for you. There are also bookmark agency and all this stuff. That's fine. So why I'm telling you all this is, unless and until factory robots that can cause harm, all these kinds of tools are not going to cause harm. They're going to in fact speed up the process. They're going to speed up the process for you to deliver something really quick. For example, if your client is saying, I need to have a website, you need to design my website and give it to me in 1 week. What will you do? You'll go to WordPress, you'll pick themes, and you'll do the website, or you'll go to Wix, or you'll go to any other place. That's up to you. But if you go to Bookmark, you can finish off the website in the fastest time possible. Exactly. Wix also does the same thing, but this is also pretty good. It uses IDA. IDA is an artificial intelligence design assistant. So why I'm telling you all this is, guys, this is the future. If there is something for websites to create, if there's a tool for websites to be created in less than 2 minutes or 30 seconds, there would be a tool to create even a search engine like Google in 5 minutes, right? There would be a tool to create an Amazon like e-commerce marketplace. There would be a tool to create an Oracle like software in less than 10 minutes. Their tools exist, guys, exist in the market. And this is what is called artificial intelligence, right? So this technology, what I'm talking about, is called artificial intelligence. So robots are our best friends after all, right? They help us analyze a lot of campaigns. When it comes to Cobra, I'm talking to you about Cobra will help you to analyze a lot of campaigns, because it has worked on thousands of digital marketing campaigns. It has worked on thousands of, say AdWords campaigns, right? It knows what keywords to be used for the PPC results, right? It knows what bidding should be done. Everything is automated, guys. Otherwise, you have to sit and learn AdWords for 6 months. Keep that in mind, right? So that will tell you that about this slide. This is a great slide. Robots are our best friend after all. That is what this slide typically tells you about, and that's why I gave the example of Cobro and Bookmark for you. Right? Let's move on to the next video.